Okay, welcome back. This is now division, the last among the four basic operators. At the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to divide positive and negative numbers, as well as know the different notations used for division. Division can be represented as x divided by y or x over y, where x and y are positive and negative numbers. Now in division of numbers, just like in multiplication, the operator is already known. You do not need to multiply the signs to determine the operator. The operator is known. The division sign is the operator. Just like in multiplication, once again, there are rules. These are the rules clearly spelled out. First, you divide the numbers. In multiplication, you multiply the numbers. Then you multiply the signs. Finally, you allocate the result of the sign multiplication to your answer. So you see the rules are very, very similar, with only exception at the first steps. The only exception being on the first step. Now let's look at some examples. You will have minus 6 let's say we have minus 6 divided by 2. Minus 6 divided by 2. Okay. Now, before we move on, you need to know that let's see, minus 6 over 2. It can be conveniently written like this. And you need to know that the number at division, the number at the top, is called a numerator. The number at the bottom is known as denominator. The upper number in this case is 6, minus 6. So our numerator is minus 6. And the 2 is the denominator because it is the number below 6. So to solve this requirement, we follow the rules. First, divide the numbers. It's going to be 6 divided by 2. We get a 3. 6 divided by 2 means if you are given 6 oranges to divide among 2 people, how much will each of them get? Each person will have 3 oranges. Each person will have 3 oranges. Then we now multiply the signs. Minus multiplied by a plus. The result will be minus. The first minus here is for 6 and the plus here is for 2. That gives us a minus. Now we assign allocate the result of the sign multiplication to your answer. The result of the sign multiplication is minus. The answer is 3. So joining the 2 together, we have minus 3. There you have it. Okay, let's look at another example. Minus 6 divided by minus 6 divided by minus 2. they need to be minus 6 divided by minus 2. Now don't get confused here because there is a bracket. The 6 is not immediately preceding the bracket. Rather, there is an operator between the 6 and the bracket. So it is not a multiplication. Rather, it is division. So divide the numbers. 6 divided by 2. Gives us 3. Multiply the signs. Minus multiplied by minus gives a plus. Now assign the plus to your answer, which is 3. Plus 3. Or you can write simply 3. So that wraps it up for division. Thank you for listening.